Guys, this new AI image editing tool is literally broken. The results are insane. I'd say it's the best in the market right now. It's called Nano-Banana, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it completely free. Stick around because I'll show you two methods, and the second one is even crazier. First, let's go with the LM Arena method. Open any browser and search lmarena.ai, that's the official website. Now, quick info, LM Arena is basically a platform where you can test multiple AI models directly in one place. Once you're inside, make sure you click on Generate Images before typing your prompt. I'm going to test it with this picture. Let's change the woman's hair and eye color. After waiting a bit, boom. Look at these results. One output is clearly better than the other. And here's the cool part. When you pick your favorite, it reveals which model was used. And yep, it's Nano-Banana by Google. Let's try another one. This time, I'll tweak just the background. And look, Nano-Banana perfectly keeps the subject the same while only changing what I asked for. That's next-level accuracy. Now, let's check out the second method, Google AI Studio. Once you land on the website, you'll get a pop-up. Click on Try Gemini, accept the terms, and you'll see a box saying Try Nano-Banana under the What's New section. Let's test its text-to-image generation first. After waiting a few seconds, wow! Look at this, super clean, detailed, and just straight-up professional looking. Now let's push it further. I'll upload the same image we used earlier. And yup, it works perfectly here too. Let's try the second one as well, and again, Nano-Banana absolutely nails it. This model honestly feels like the future of AI image editing. Precise, creative, and it never ruins parts you don't want touched. So yeah, Nano-Banana is officially cracked. And the fact that you can try it for free is crazy. Which method are you going to try first? LM Arena or Google AI Studio? Comment below, I'm really curious. Don't forget to drop a like if this helped you, subscribe for more AI hacks, and I'll see you in the next one.